How to make AI picture of yourself. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can make AI picture of yourself. Now there are two different apps that you can use if you are on Android. I'll just show you quickly here. The first is this Wonder AI Art. Now this is for free. However, if you want to get the paid one and the better one, you can go ahead and download Lensa. You can try it for free as well, but most of the magic contents are the paid ones here, so you'll have to get the premium in this application. So first you can download the Wonder application. You want to download it and you want to open it up. Once it loads up, you'll get an interface like this. Simply tap on get started, and I'll just show you quickly how you can do it. Cross the ad, and here you untap on try now option here, and you can use cartoon, toon pit, volcano, city lights, any option that you see here on the screen. So I'll just use the toon pit here, and I'll just select a picture from gallery, allow the access. You can crop it if you want, and then simply tap and continue, and it'll start creating. Now it might take some time, however, so I'll get back to you when the image is completed. As you can see, the picture has been completed. Now I can either publish this or I can save it. If you want to save it, you want to tap on the download icon at the top right corner that you can see there, and you can save it. So this way you can make an AI picture of yourself as well. I just use the paid for example. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.